In this video, we're going to be comparing the sound quality of 4 different speakers. The Zealot Ze01, which is a medium-sized speaker from Zealot. We're going to be comparing it with the Soundcore Rave Neo and the Soundcore Rave Neo 2 and the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. And in this sound comparison, we're going to be playing at 50% volume and 100% volume. I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a louder speaker for a better audio experience. This is going to be an outdoor experience. Let's see which one handles it better. Those are the buttons you'll find on the Soundcore Rave Neo 2. And at the end of this video, I'll be sharing my opinion with you guys regarding my own personal experience. So I advise you stick to the end. These are the buttons you'll find on the Soundcore Rave Neo. Sadly, the Zealot app doesn't support the Zealot Ze01, so you have just an EQ button to customize the sound however way you want. But on the Soundcore, there's an app for them, so you can actually play with the options you get there. These are the ports you get on the Soundcore Rave Neo, and these are the ports you get on the Soundcore Rave Neo 2. If you care to know more about their features, then you might want to check out the unboxing videos where I did justice to that. These are the ports you get on the Zealot Ze01, and as for the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, those are the ports you're going to get on the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. All of these speakers here, they are kind of like Boombest speakers with different output power, so it's kind of like a fair comparison in my own opinion. The light display on the Soundcore Rave Neo 2 is really impressive. I find it more impressive comparing it to other speakers here that have light display. The one you get on the Soundcore Rave Neo looks kind of simple, but also impressive as well. And the one you're going to get on the Zealot looks more mature. I think the RGB light on the Zealot looks more mature, but the other two Soundcore looks more impressive in the sense that it makes it feel like a party bus speaker. And you also get the RGB lights around the passive radiator of the Zealot as well. But on the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, you get no light display on this speaker. If you're looking to get one of these speakers for yourself, then I hope this video help you make a better choice. Or if you're just curious, then I hope this video provide you some clarity. I appreciate if you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't. Drop a comment in the comment section. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. 50% volume. Volume, let's go. 50% volume. 50% 100% volume. That's it. The first position is going to go to the Motion Boom Plus. I prefer it more. And the second position is going to go to the Rave 2. I prefer the sound from the Rave 2 compared to the Zealot Ze01, which is going to take the third position. And the fourth position is going to go to the Soundcore Rave. However, all three speakers did great. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Until next time, peace.